Your friend in calculus is trying to evaluate a limit for homework, but can't remember how to rationalize a two-term numerator in order to make it work. So help your friend by rationalizing the numerator of this example. We have a function, and it's irrational in the numerator. And first we need to see if this simplifies by dividing any factors or simplifying the radical. 13 is a prime number, so that's not going to work. Then we can multiply by the conjugate, so same two terms, but plus sign in between them, to both the numerator and the denominator. In the denominator, I'm not going to distribute because I might be able to simplify, so I'm just going to leave it as a product here. But in the numerator, when you multiply by the conjugate, you get the first term squared minus the second term squared, so 2 and root 13. So not changing anything in the denominator. In the numerator, 2 squared is 4, and the square root of 13 squared is 13. So then we're going to subtract. 4 minus 13 is negative 9. And in this case, if we can divide these factors, we will, which we can. We can divide a factor of 3 from the denominator and from the numerator. So that leaves negative 3 in the numerator and 2 times 2 plus root 13 in the denominator. So now that we've simplified by dividing factors, we can go ahead and distribute to remove the parentheses in the denominator. So 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times root 13, 2 is on the outside, and root 13. And it doesn't matter where this negative sign is if you want to put it in the front instead. It's the same thing. But that would be our final answer then.